Hi, my name is Larry Newman. My practice in upstate New York focuses on three things: criminal defense, DWI defense, and personal injury cases. I see assault the third charged quite a bit. Assault in the third degree is a very common charge because people get into fights with one another. And when I say fights, I mean they might have punched somebody, smacked somebody, pushed somebody, bit somebody, and then the police come and they look at it and they just lump the big charge, misdemeanor, it's a crime, assault in the third degree. But what does it take to really prove assault in the third? Now, people these days, they're going to take pictures of everything, and that's very common. They're going to take pictures of the bruising. They're going to take pictures of the swelling or the red marks. But in and of themselves, pictures like that are not going to be enough to prove somebody guilty of assault in the third in New York State, and I'm going to tell you why. Number one, New York State has specific legal definitions of a physical injury for each crime. So the physical injury that needs to be present to prove assault in the third is this: one of two things. Number one is impairment of a body part, which is pretty hard to prove that something is impaired. It can't be used at all. But the second one that's very commonly used is called substantial pain with a physical injury. And substantial pain under the case law is not just black and blue swelling or contusions or red marks or even a cut that requires a stitch. It requires more than that because, legally speaking, we need to see longer-term effects from somebody getting hurt to prove assault in the third. The crime, it's a misdemeanor, remember. So you could be facing a year in jail or 3 years of probation supervision for something like this. So before the law, before the courts hold you guilty of something like that, they want to make sure we have substantial pain is pain or swelling or a problem that lingers, that lasts. In fact, the court uses this term after effects. So if we do not have the lingering after effects, then we really don't have an assault in the third. Maybe we have a harassment that would be the proper charge. If you have questions about your criminal charge in upstate New York, you could either give me a call or you could send me an email. I'd be more than happy to discuss it with you. And thanks for watching this video.